Hey guys, Vix Media Girl here. So we're going to do a coaster video. These are silicone coaster molds that I got from Just For You Online UK. They are awesome. So we're going to do a project here. I am using Coat Countertops countertop epoxy. And you're only supposed to pour it up to 1/8 of an inch, but I'm pouring this in a couple layers. So I'm not too worried about it. We're going to start with just putting down some clear. And there's a hair in there. Okay. And then I'm also going to use a little bit of, whoops. This is the Chameleon Lilac Blue Green. In here, it's very pearl-like. Let's see. You guys can see that? So I want basically a clear background, but I'm going to put a little bit of this in here. And this is already pretty light in here as it is. It's not super heavy. So that's just going to give it a little pop on the background there. And then I'm just making sure that the resin's going all the way to the edges here. Okay, awesome. So that's actually the first step of what I'm gonna do here. So I'm gonna let these dry. First, real quick, I am gonna torch these. Cool. So I'm gonna let these dry, and then we will come back and we'll do the next part of this. All right, guys, we're back. These are now dry. I'm not going to yet peel them out of the molds because I'm going to do more to them, and then I'm going to put a little more resin on top. So I want them to stay in the molds. And here's the idea I had, and I'm sure other people have done it. It's not like I think that no one's ever done this before. But I'm going to actually just hand paint some designs into here with just regular acrylic paint. Then I'm going to let that dry and then put clear resin over the top. And this bottom is mostly clear, so you'll be able to see the design on both sides. Yeah, just thought I would try it. Thought it would be pretty cool. So I am going to do some, a little like tree branch with some lovebirds and probably some flowers on there. And I'm going to go ahead and time lapse this part. All right, so I've got our little lovebirds. I was gonna put 2 in one tree, and then I realized it would be better if they kind of went together. And then also a weird realization I had is that I never paint trees this direction, only in this direction for whatever reason. So it was actually pretty hard to do this side. But anyways, so we're gonna let that all dry now, and then we'll put the clear resin over it. And then we'll peel it out and see what we've got. So we'll be back to put the clear resin on it in a little while. All right, the acrylic paint is fully dry. And now we have some more of the epoxy. We're just gonna pour a little bit in. I just want kind of a thin layer. And then that's it. I think if I were to do this again, I might do some additional steps, like maybe putting in some glitter pieces or something as flowers to give it a bit more depth. But for this specific one, this is all I'm going to do to it. I'm going to go ahead and torch this. And resin is self-leveling for anyone who doesn't know, so we'll just keep moving out until it's all level. And we'll come back when it's all dry and go ahead and peel these out. I can't wait to see. And remember, the other side has a little bit of that like pearly kind of stuff in it. So it's gonna look awesome. We'll be back. Okay, we're back. These are all dry. This is the exciting part, the demolding. And I love these molds because they are just super easy. Look how cool that is. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. And I like the little bit of the sparkly I did on the other side. It's a little hard to see, I think. I think that is super cool. Okay, so that's the first one. And then here is its companion. So yeah, these could work on either side. Looks great on both sides. I'm super excited to use these molds more. Yeah. So I will put a link for these molds and that chameleon powder, because it's awesome, down in the description. And check that out. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time.